Welcome to the AmazingRibs.com virtual showroom. This is part 1, a walk around and inspection of the Weber Genesis 2 SX-335 Smart Grill with me, Max Good. You can read part 2, an in-depth review of all the strengths and weaknesses after running temperature tests and cooking on it on AmazingRibs.com at the link in this video. This cooker was sent to us by the manufacturer. Please note that we don't charge to review products. When we're done testing, manufacturers sometimes pick them up, sometimes we give them to fire departments or charities, but we never sell them. Here we have the Genesis 2 SX-335 Smart Grill. Weber Smart Grills have built-in Weber Connect wireless technology that tells you cooking temperature, fuel level, and more. SX-335 has 3 main burners, a sear burner, and side burner. Here's the 3 mains, and the sear burner sits between the middle and right burners. Down at the bottom is a grease tray, which funnels grease into a disposable grease pan. Diffusers go between each of the main burners to help spread heat evenly. Then Weber's famous flavorizer bars go on top, and these nice stainless steel bars come standard on all Genesis 2 models. The S in SX means it's a stainless steel model with stainless steel hood and cooking grates. Thin stainless steel rod grates are our favorite. They last forever and they're easy to maintain. I really like the folding warming rack too. Smart Grills have a thermistor temperature sensor that sends cooking temperature info to the built-in Weber Connect system. It's some distance from the cook's surface, so I'm not sure how that will work out, especially for 2-zone cooking, but that's why we test them, folks. The sensor wire comes around the back and goes around the side, where it plugs into Weber Connect. We detail all the Connect functions in part 2, our written review at AmazingRibs.com/SX-335. The black and blue wires come from the opposite side for battery power and info like LP fuel tank level. There's one igniter for all burners. And check this out. Genesis 2 Smart Grills have LED lights. A grill handle light is also included. It turns on automatically when you lift the lid. Or press a button on the side and turn it off during the day. Wow, the Genesis 2 Smart Grill. You know we're curious about this. Let's put it through the paces and see how smart it actually is. Part 2 of our review is a hands-on detailed report on AmazingRibs.com at the link in the video. For more virtual showroom videos, cooking demonstrations, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking, please subscribe to our email newsletter, Smoke Signals. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Or best of all, try a free 30-day trial membership in our Pitmaster Club. Because AmazingRibs.com is the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the universe.